This is a super slim PlayStation and it is rigged. As you can see, power and HDMI is attached. As I power it on, it is on green light and the HDD light is also blinking, but there is no display. Let's check either the controller is syncing or not. Sure, it is not syncing as I press PS button. Now let's check that either it boots in save mode or not. To boot in save mode, I will keep pressing power button until it turns off. Again, keep pressing the power button until you hear two beeps at the same time. Oh, good luck. It boots up. It's booting in save mode. Check the controller for syncing. Yes, it is syncing and also working. Now take a USB drive and format it at FAT32 because it must be on FAT32 format. Now at the root of USB drive, make a new folder named PS3. Enter in this folder and make a new folder named update. All letters should be in capital. And now enter update folder. Now we need a official latest update. This is the latest 4.87 official update. I already have downloaded it. Now copy this update file into the update folder and save it according to the PlayStation update format. According to the update format, we rename it. It should be PS3 up.pub. Now eject the USB and put it in PlayStation's post-write USB port. Now let's see whether it works or not. Enter the system update option. Update has been detected. Good luck. Pressing the start and select buttons at the same time, it will start checking and copying update file to the system's hard drive. This model of PlayStation is not directly jailbreakable, but it can be jailbroken via hand. If I am lucky enough to complete this process, it will be fixed. I am lucky that whole process is completed. And it is done. Thanks for watching video. Goodbye.